Yard line, a 1-yard pickup by Nick Chubb. We get an update from Carissa Thompson in L.A. Carissa.
Hello, Sam. Vikings, Jets. Vikings opening drive. Kirk Cousins connects with a familiar target, Adam Thielen, for that 34-yard score. Thielen's fifth touchdown of the...
What are you gonna do? What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? Hi, baby. Hi, baby. You just looking around? Ooh, coffee.